Live from the MultiGP headquarters, this is MultiGP News.
Welcome to MultiGP News. Week 8 of regional qualifiers closed out in the southwest and south central regions of the country. Stay tuned for a recap of the races plus the latest pilot standings. Also, practice rounds and pilot registrations take flight for the very first final in the 2018 Regional Series. Full details ahead. Then find out what heated topic will have these pilots fuming and firing back at each other. The latest on our next live stream debate coming up. All this next on MultiGP News. Drone Zone Fly a Drone Experience. Anyone without experience can walk in off the street and fly a full-size racing drone.
I've never flown a drone before, so it took a lot to get used to it. So something I'd want to do again.
Featuring drones with elevation lock, prop guards, and simplified controls. Can be set up in any size space. Make it a competition with speed trials for prizes all day. Connect to a STEM initiative. It's like a drone arcade. Can be set up almost anywhere, in warehouses for grand openings, downtown urban environments for festivals, even a nightclub for a unique experience. Attract a crowd, get media exposure. Full turnkey product complete with up to 10 drones, display screens, netting, and even professional drone racing pilots to give one-on-one instructions to each new drone pilot, plus a technician and a race director. Contact sales at multigp.com for more info. Here's the MultiGP rundown. Practice rounds for the first final in the 2018 MultiGP Regional Series began at the fabulous Open Grove Raceway on Saturday, May 26th, and runs through Sunday, June 3rd in Ventura County, California. Pilots in the Southwest region, don't miss out on this opportunity. Get familiar with the course and run some practice rounds before the big day. Fast pilots like Andy Dolma, FPV Marchilian, Ashton Drobot Gamble, Ricky Martinez, and a few others were spotted hitting up the finals track for practice this past weekend. The first final in the 2018 Regional Series begins on Saturday, June 9th through Sunday, June 10th. A live stream of the final will be available on our official MultiGP Facebook page. Good luck to all pilots in the Southwest region competing for their chance to earn a spot in the 2018 MultiGP Championships in Florida this December. We have word that the finals track has been set up by MultiGP chapters Happy Quads FPV in South Carolina and the LV Droners in sunny Las Vegas, Nevada. For a full list of the 2018 MultiGP Regional Series schedule, visit our website at multigp.com. Here is one of the hottest topics, and we have it up for debate. Should track setups be released before a competition or kept secret until race day? Join us for a heated back and forth between top pilots including Corey Miwo FPV Ibanez, Colby SFPV Cortola, Jared J-Rod Quillen, and Evan Heads Up FPV Turner, all super fast pilots. Plus, we'll get to the bottom of these two pilots' public disagreement on the controversial topic of when to announce a track. Our very own EVP of Race Production, Joe Scully, and me, Kalara, will be moderating the debate and taking questions from our viewers. Catch all the action live this Thursday, May 31st at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on our MultiGP YouTube channel. Week 8 wrapped up with the regional qualifiers in the southwest and south central regions of the country. A big thank you to Prescott FPV Flyers, Northeast Dallas Speed Addicts, and Toxic Props for hosting those qualifiers. Take a look. After 8 weeks of qualifying, the stage has been set for the first regional final of the 2018 MultiGP Regional Series presented by the Academy of Model Aeronautics. The top 100 pilots have been announced to complete at the Southwest Regional Final June 9th and 10th at the Open Grove Raceway in Ventura County, California. Over 160 pilots in the region posted a lap or more in efforts to qualify to the Southwest Regional Final. 11 total laps in their best 3 rounds, and a total of just under 7 minutes was the cutoff to be part of the 100 pilots advancing. The top qualifier for the Southwest remains to be Corey Miwo FPV Ibanez for week number 2 through week number 8, and into the regional final in a week and a half. Over 400 pilots have now attempted a lap on the regional qualifier track, with 385 ranked nationally. That includes the South Central's first regional qualifiers that transpired last weekend, The qualifying season in the region kicked off with a doubleheader, with Northeast Dallas Speed Addicts and Toxic Props each hosting a qualifier. Two big stories to note from the opening weekend in Texas. First, Mark McGabb-Bramer walks away with the early lead in the regional rankings with 21 laps from his best 3 rounds on Sunday in a total of 7 minutes even. After his first week on the regional qualifier track, that time ranks him 10th in the national qualifier standings. And we have our next pilot to post an 8-lap run on the regional finals course. Reigning MultiGP national champion Alex Captain Vanover posted an 8-lap run on Saturday, combined with a 6-lap and a 7-lap run for a solid 21-lap total, then repeated Sunday with another 8-lap run. Sunday's efforts combined with a pair of 7-lap rounds made for a new fastest total in the nation of 22 laps in 6 minutes and 26 seconds. However, the time isn't ranked nationally. It's unofficially the best but not first, as Captain Vanover has identified the North Central region as his region for 2018, and as the defending MultiGP champion is not required to attend a regional final. Also, he was only 0.4 of a second from being the first pilot to land 2 8-lap runs in a single qualifier. The reigning champ is doing all right. North Central and Northwest regions have yet to host their first qualifier of the series, with each region having its own season due to weather and venue availability. It'll be a long race to be in the top 150 pilots of the MultiGP Championships in Florida this December. You've heard it before, the top 100 pilots per region will advance to the regional final, and MultiGP makes it official. The list for the top 100 pilots in the Southwest region is out. For a complete list, visit our website at multigp.com. Here are the next regional qualifiers on the schedule coming up. Have you seen it? The long-awaited MultiGP International Open schedule is now available for pilots and anyone else attending. The MultiGP International Open kicks off August 8th and runs through August 12th at the AMA headquarters in Muncie, Indiana. The MultiGP International Open 2018 is the largest FPV event to date and promises to be an event you'll never forget. We'll have a great gathering space in the vendor village and stage area. We've added a second World Cup track, and back by popular demand, plan to fly at the micro track. We've confirmed the X-Class track, you've got to see it. The Freestyle track will have games and personalities. The Team Racing track will be buzzing. Race for big money at the Spec track. We're planning activities at the really fun Rookie track. Let's go faster at the Wing track, sponsored by Video Aerial Systems. And we're pumped to announce the Little Whoop International Open, hosted by Mr. Little Whoop himself, Jesse Perkins. The MultiGP International Open is a family event, so make sure to bring the whole gang. There's only 2 days left to grab your discounted tickets and save $50 on your entry fee. The offer ends June 1st, so don't miss out. That's it for this week's MultiGP News. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. I'm Kalara Mene, reporting for MultiGP News. See you next week.
If you like this video, press the like button below, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in being showcased in the next episode of MultiGP News, please contact us at news@multigp.com.